Good morning, students. I am your English teacher, Mr. Parikshit Rana. Welcome you all in this YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss our first poem, My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. This poem has been taken from the book Flamingo. This is really a heart-touching poem. Kamla Das both wrote in English and Malayalam. She was born in Malabar, Kerala in 1934 and died in 2009. The theme of this poem is aging and complex human relationship. So look here, the first stanza. I am going to read and I will explain it. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. So for few days, poet Kamla Das was at parents' house. So when she visited her parents' house in Cochin, and when she returned back to Cochin airport from her parents' house, at that time in the morning, Friday, she was traveling with her mother in the car. जैसे हमारे घर में कोई गेस्ट आया हो और हम उसको छोड़ने के लिए जाते हो एयरपोर्ट पर, उसी तरह उसकी मदर कमला दास को छोड़ने के लिए एयरपोर्ट तक जा रही थी. वेयर? इन द कार. आई सॉ माई मदर बिसाइड मी. डोज ओपन माउथ, her face ashen like that. So at that time, while traveling, she has seen her mother sleeping, open mouth, and her face ashen. Ashen means here it is written tired or pale. So she was looking like a corpse, means a dead body. So her mother was sleeping in the car during traveling and she was looking like a dead body. When Kamla Das observed her mother during traveling in the car, at that time she was looking like a dead body. And having seen this condition, having seen this situation of her mother, she became very upset and her heart filled with agony or pain. So that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away. So in order to divert her mind from that situation, from that condition, she became very upset to see her mother. So divert her mind from this, she looked outside. So looked out means here she was looking outside the car at young trees sprinting. What she has seen outside? That trees were sprinting. Trees were sprinting means trees were running. जब भी हम ट्रैवलिंग करते हैं तो हम खिड़की से बाहर आप देखोगे तो सारे ट्रीज ऑपोजिट साइड पर भागते हुए नजर आएंगे. सो ट्रीज वर स्प्रिंटिंग एंड द मैरी चिल्ड्रन स्पीलिंग. स्पीलिंग मीन्स टू कम आउट सडनली एंड टू गो इन डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन. सो शी हैज सीन द चिल्ड्रन कमिंग आउट फ्रॉम देयर हाउस एंड वेंट टू प्ले एंड गोइंग elsewhere to play on the ground. So she became very happy to see this situation. Actually she wanted to divert her mind from her mother, the condition of her mother, that her mother was looking very old. She is very near to death. Next few lines. But after the airport's security check, So after security checking, standing a few yards away, poet Kamala Das was standing away from her mother. Why? Because she was not able to talk with her, because her heart was filled with grief. And I looked again at her, but she looked again at her mother. How she was looking at that time in the airport? Wan, pale, as a late winter's moon. She was looking, wan means here dim or weak, and pale means tired, colorless. So here Kamala Das compare the face of her mother with winter's moon. Poet compares her mother to a late winter's moon, as the moon in winter is not shiny, and even her mother's face had also lost her youth and shine. And felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. Now she remember her childhood's fear. What was the fear of her? That one day she would separate from her mother. Generally, a girl play a three role in her life: as a daughter, wife, and mother. So she remember her childhood, and in her childhood she had a fear that she would separate from her mother. But all I said was, see you soon. So, but she forget everything and said to her mother that, mother, Amma, see you soon. I will meet you again. Actually, she know very well that her mother is very near to the death because of old age. But she convinced herself and her mother that I will meet you again. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. So with smiling face, she separated from her mother. So friends, this poem describes the love between mother and the daughter. Someone truly said that the love between a mother and her daughter is forever and for always. A mother's heart is a special place where children always have home. So thank you very much for listening this video, and the next poem we will discuss in next period.